Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 Lux all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one is also certified pre-owned. Remember, you can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis, are very familiar with them. With Infiniti's pre-owned certification, you basically get the same benefits as you would as buying a brand new Infiniti. You get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for Infiniti extended service stays. Your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. You have a 6-year unlimited mileage certified warranty. You have available low rate financing for well-qualified buyers. The list of benefits go on and on. Also, roadside assistance and trip interruption for the duration of the certified warranty. All those certified pre-owned benefits are for the duration of the Infiniti certified warranty, which goes into effect based off the first year it went into service. So it's 6 years from the first in service date and unlimited mileage. So you get quite a lot of coverage with this 18 Q50. This one is very nicely equipped with features, beautiful wood interior trim. We have navigation, power and heated front seats. We have a backup camera. We have a moonroof. We have a universal garage door opener, as well as an automatic dimming mirror. You notice that the Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector here. You can also drill down a little bit deeper here. You can make changes to the engine and transmission, steering, active traction control, brakes, individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. We also have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. We also have a heated steering wheel as well. We have 35,803 miles at the time of making this video. This is a local clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. Really pretty color combination in graphite on graphite leatherette with tinted windows, and it has the it has a wrap on it, which well, it doesn't but it basically deletes all the bright chrome accents on it. Really looks nice. Almost looks like it was done at the factory. Really nice job on that wrap. The Q50 is available in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This has the optional intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Also has a nice trunk-mounted spoiler. We have that chrome delete here as well. Usually that's bright chrome accents. And usually we have bright chrome accents here, but again, they applied some black wrap there. It looks really nice to do a chrome delete. So intelligent all-wheel drive, which this one is equipped with, basically makes it 100% rear-wheel drive during normal driving conditions, but as soon as the rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Really an amazing all-wheel drive system. It was derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. We've been using this all-wheel drive system in Infiniti products for well over 20 years. That's fantastic. It doesn't just improve your wet weather performance, or traction the snow, but it also improves your performance. That all-wheel drive system allows you to get on the power a little bit earlier through those corners, and it can slingshot you right through. Also built in the advanced furniture platform, they take the engine and they place it as far back as possible. So the Q50 is almost like a mid-engine vehicle. It shares its platform with the Nissan 370Z, the G35, G37, Q50, Q60 are all built on this amazing advanced furniture platform. The Q50 is built and assembled in Japan, so if you do value Japanese build quality, the Q50 does deliver. And for our power plant, we have a VR30 twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. If you're in the market for a nice certified pre-owned vehicle, this Q50 Lux all-wheel drive with essential package is definitely one to consider. Great shape inside and out, certified by our Infiniti techs. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.